Okay, first of all, disclaimer, we are talking about an alcohol solution like rubbing alcohol or the alcohol that's used to clean things. We are not talking about like the alcohol that you drink for consumption, which none of you do because you're obviously underage and that is not legal. So we are not talking about booze in this problem. We are talking about like scientific alcohol solution. Okay? All right. Kristen wants to make 6 gallons of 34% alcohol solution by mixing together a 24% alcohol solution and a 64% alcohol solution. How much of each solution must she use? Okay, so our two solutions are, we're mixing together a 24% alcohol solution. So X is going to be number of gallons of the 24%, and Y is going to be the number of gallons of the 64%. And I'm going to label my total. Our resulting solution needs to be a 34% solution. That means for X, if we have 1 gallon of 24% solution, that means 24% of that gallon is pure alcohol. The 64% solution, 64% of 1 gallon is pure alcohol. Our total, however many gallons we have, 34% of those gallons is going to be pure alcohol. So, one of our equations is going to deal with gallons, and the other equation is going to deal with the amount of pure alcohol. Which is tied to the percentage. Okay, the gallons, this is the easy part. We have X gallons of the 24%, add to that Y gallons of the 64%, and that's going to give us how many total gallons does she want to make? 6. The next equation starts out easy enough. 24% is pure alcohol. So 0.24 times X would be the amount of pure alcohol in our X gallons of solution. 0.64 times Y would be the amount of pure alcohol in the 64% solution. The problem is, we don't know what this total is supposed to be. But we can figure it out. Because we want our solution, we want 34% of it to be pure alcohol. 34% of how many total gallons? 6. So 34% of 6 gallons, this is going to tell us how much is pure alcohol. So somebody with a calculator, 0.34 times 6. That's going to be the total amount that is pure alcohol. 2.04 gallons are going to be pure alcohol in our solution. So that second line is really looking at how much of each of these things is that pure, straight alcohol. Okay? You could solve this by substitution or elimination, whichever appeals to you the most.